I just do want to do a quick little video. I know I have a video for how to replace these sunroof arms on the F-150s 2015 and newer. I want to show you what breaks on them. These are the old arms. You see this little ribbed piece right here? Well, that's the piece that almost always breaks off. You can see this one has the pieces broken right there as compared to this one. Let me back this off a little bit so you can see them both. Alright, you see this one's broken and this one's still intact. Here's the piece that falls out. And 9 times out of 10, it's got those same little ribs on it. 9 times out of 10, this is what breaks. Now, that's not the only thing that can break on them. If you'll notice, there's cracks here, there's cracks up here. Hopefully those are showing up. And this one over here, the one that was not broken, also is cracked. If you look right there, it's cracked. Let's see, it's got a couple of cracks right here. And I've seen them even this piece break out. This slot right here, this cammed slot, is lined with plastic. So all this stuff can break out and fall out. But 9 times out of 10, this is the piece that breaks. So when you do these arms, if you follow my video and do the arms, when you have them out, look for this piece. And look for anything, any kind of little plastic giblets in there. You need to get them out or it's going to break your new arms. Alright, that was just a little visual aid. Hope it helps.